Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Uncoder Government. I am Subham. Today I am going to start with a new video, that is the Python loops. So let's get started. So what question is saying? Read an integer n for all non-negative integer I less than n, print I square. So n is the integer that is giving input, and it should print I square for I less than n, and that should be non-negative integer. So non-negative integer started with a 0, so the loop will go 0 to 5, and it should be less than 5, so it will include 5. So let's get started with it. For I in range 0 to 5, print I square. So I square, for I square will do I star star 2, that is I square here. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, you can see there is for 0 it will print 0, for 1 it will print 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and it will not print 5 square because it is 5 including, here is 5 and that is 5 excluding, so it will not print 5 square. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and in the next tutorial we will solve another Hackerrank problem. Thank you. Sorry, there is a problem in I have given only 5, there should be n. Yeah, that's it. Let's submit it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.